Intimidated by the thought of a foreclosure auction? You don't have to be. We make it easier right from the start. Here's how to get started on auction.com. Step 1. New to the tech world and unsure where to start? Contact our customer service team and we'll walk you through the process and get you on your way to finding your next investment opportunity. Step 2. Find your property. Browse through all the properties up for auction in your areas of interest. With your free account, you're able to save your favorite searches and properties to review at a later date. Step 3. Stay informed. Save the properties that interest you and stay tuned to what's happening to them. Auction.com makes it easy to see auction start times, end times, and postponements, so you're always informed. Because many properties get postponed or canceled, it's a good idea to follow a few in order to have options on the day of the auction. Step 4. Due diligence. Before bidding, you'll want to find out as much as possible about the property. Auction.com provides an in-depth overview of the property on our property details page. You may also want to drive by the property, taking care not to trespass or disturb the residents. Step 5. Attend the auction. Now the fun part. Get the necessary info on the venue. Check to see if your property is cleared for sale. Bring your payment according to the sale requirements listed on the property details page. The Auction.com app makes it easier to stay on top of your properties and easy to sign in. Step 6. Win. If you have the winning bid, take the next steps to complete your purchase. Provide required information and make your payment. You'll then receive a receipt and proof of your purchase. Next, you'll get in touch with the county to obtain a copy of the deed. Do not attempt to enter the property unless the deed has been transferred into your name and you have the legal right to do so. Step 8. Gain possession. If the property is occupied, you may need to enlist the help of a real estate attorney to obtain possession of the property. Once you have the legal right to enter the property, you're ready to start renovating. That's it. You'll soon be ready to flip, rent, or move into your new house. Auction.com helps to streamline your process and improve your investment experience.